So I want to talk to you about this beautiful jewelry box that I received today in the mail. It comes in this beautiful gift box, just like you see here. It does say, you were born to sparkle. That's what it says on the box here. It's a beautiful box, nice and beautiful flowers on this box. This is a beautiful jewelry box. I'm going to show you a little bit about it all around. Take a quick look all around about this nice jewelry box. What's nice about this jewelry box is that the winding is on the back of it instead of underneath it. I like that very much. That's really important. So when you wind it up, you just wind just like that there. Easy to wind. Look all around the box itself. You can see here, and the beautiful ballerina on top. It does have a nice little drawer that opens up that's lined with pink beautifully. And when you open this up, it has a beautiful surprise. Yep, and then there she is dancing. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see her dancing. This is wonderful. You can see how inside it has a little mirror inside, a little velvet right here to put your rings. It also comes with a couple pieces of jewelry, a necklace and a bracelet, all included in this beautiful ballerina jewelry box. When you close it, it stops just like that there. The door opens and closes just like I said. Absolutely wonderful, wonderful gift. Any daughter, granddaughter, any child whatsoever would love this item. This is a beautiful item. Definitely highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.